Okay friends, we are talking gift ideas from small businesses today. Now, I will be honest, everything I'm sharing is coming from Etsy. I personally prefer Etsy because they have to put the date on there of the estimated arrival of their product. And I find that that is very accurate. So if you are shopping from a small business, it's very convenient to know when you're going to get an item. So everything that I am sharing is going to be linked below for y'all. I will say I have a lot of kids stuff. One of my goals in 2024 is when I buy more jewelry to buy it from small businesses, because I did notice going through this list that I didn't have that much stuff. But we will go ahead and just get started with a piece of jewelry that I do have and love from Etsy, and it is this thumb ring. I am not kidding when I say I get asked about my jewelry more than anything, but specifically this ring. I think because if I'm ever holding a product, usually you can see my thumb and you see this ring. I don't think I've taken it off in 2 or 3 years and it still looks brand new. I have a few of these because I am a ring layering girl. I love to wear tons of jewelry, obviously, and this is just a really nice quality one that seems to go with a lot of things. I don't like super big, thick thumb rings. I don't particularly love big chunky rings on a regular basis, especially for when I'm layering. So this is a great brand. I have one from them also that's got my birthstone on it. Their jewelry is all just really, really, really nice quality. And it's actually not expensive either to never turn or tarnish or anything like that. Both of my boys have the cutest name sweaters. I actually got Ezra a sweater from this exact seller last Thanksgiving. He wore it. I thought it was so cute. And so I wanted to do something this year exactly the same, and my mom ended up loving it so much she got my niece one to wear. So there are a variety of colors, sizes. I would just say be careful with the sizing because I wasn't sure how Roman was gonna fit in a 3-month because he will be 4 months and he is a little bit on the bigger side. So I got 6 months and it was definitely too big. Now it did shrink up a small bit in the washer and dryer. We intentionally put it in there hoping that it did, but still it's gonna be kind of big on him. I've seen some people they'll buy a 12-month size sweater with their kid's name on it, and then they'll put their newborn in that, and that's the sweater that they put on their child every single month when they take their monthly milestone photos, instead of using those little 1 month, 2 month mats or anything like that. It's such a cute little alternative. Just be mindful of the sizing, and then be careful of colors because we got Roman the mustard color sweater for Thanksgiving, and I feel like it was a little bit more yellow than it came off online, but the quality's great. The shipping is super fast. She sends you proofs of what it looks like before it ships. She is really, really great to communicate with. This name puzzle is actually something that I got my niece for Christmas. Now I will say it was a little bit delayed as far as shipment goes. I did not realize, I believe it's coming from Australia, I think is where it showed on the map. Just be mindful, check the shipment date and make sure it will arrive before your holiday party. But there are a bunch of different sellers on Etsy that have these puzzles, and it is such a good gift idea for a child that's not a loud, noisy toy. Not that there's anything wrong with loud, noisy toys, but sometimes it's just not what you want to get them. This Play Hard and Be Kind sign is absolutely adorable. Now they have a variety of sizes. I highly encourage you, if you're getting this for yourself or you're getting it for someone else, you want to make out your kids' playroom, get blue tape and measure what sizes they say on their website they have, and put it on the wall, because we were gonna go with one size, and then when we put the blue tape up, we were like, oh, actually we need to go with the bigger size. I think we have one of the biggest size options that they have. But even then, you are able to hang it kind of however you want. So if you want Be Kind to be farther apart, you definitely can hang it that way. They do just have a size recommendation, but I highly encourage you to take blue tape and really test it out first. But we have loved this sign so much. Everyone comments on it when they come in our home and see the playroom. I think it's such a cute little piece to have on the walls that's not artwork, and the quality is really great, and it ships super fast too. I want to give a major kudos to this company. This is the artwork that we have in my son's room, and you can get a few different, like I think you can get canvas, I think you can get prints. When the canvas came in, a little piece of it was damaged, and I sent them a picture, and almost immediately they were like, oh my gosh, we're so sorry. We're gonna get you a new one shipped out right away. And they overnighted it. It came in and it was perfect. So not only do I love the actual artwork, but their customer service is very, very top tier if you are going to have, if you end up having any issues. So I love, love, love this artwork. I think it's so cute, and it goes with this room perfectly. So I've been very impressed with that one overall, and just, you know, how easy it was to hang and how quick it shipped as well. Both boys, I use similar things to announce their birth names, or like their names when they were born. But for Roman, I actually loved the big nameplate. I wish I would have done it with Ezra. So I got this like big round nameplate, and it had his name on it. It said Roman Ward, and it was green, and I just thought it was the cutest thing. And I ended up taking it with us to the hospital. That was how we shared what his name was. And I loved it so much that I actually bought Ezra one as well. And they now hang in our mud room in the little locker that is like for their stuff. So it's also great. You could use these for a birth announcement, or you could hang them on your wall for your little boy, your little girl. You can use them if you have like, you know, all your kids use one bathroom and you have like hooks for each of them. You could put their little names over it. I mean, just so many different ways to use these for not just a name announcement, but also decor. So we love these so, so much. I think they're so cute. But of course, my favorite reason was just to announce what Roman's name was when he was born. This little like planner with my name on it, of course, is not for the boys. It's for me. I actually found this brand through TikTok. She does like those ASMR style videos where she like is packing orders, and so you can like find her through TikTok shop, but she also like, I think it actually takes you to Etsy if you click the link in her TikTok bio. And so I got these in. I picked like a green little booklet with my name on there. I will say it did take a little bit of time to actually get these items, so be mindful of the ship date. But if you know someone who likes planners, or you know, you want to buy it for yourself, amazing quality. Like this is way nicer than any little like faux leather notebook or planner I've ever purchased from the store. Roman's artwork as well. So his we purchased from Etsy, and it is the most beautiful artwork ever. I'm so floored. I actually wish that we could have found the artwork that we have for Ezra's room in the same like quality. It is just the best, most beautiful artwork. The size is perfect. And it is on a wood frame. I can't quite remember the details, so I will make sure I put it in the description bar. We have like the largest size that they make, but we wanted to go with a mountain theme for Roman's room, like very dark and moody. It's dark green, and this just fit perfect. So we've been very impressed with this. And everyone who sees Roman's room just absolutely loves the artwork. Roman's name sign and Ezra's name sign were actually, I think they were purchased from two different companies, because I think the one company didn't have the style that we wanted for Roman's. We wanted theirs to be different. So for Ezra's, we have the round name sign that has his name on it, and it still hangs in his room now. And then Roman's is just like Roman Ward. There's no like actual circle or any additional thing. It's just his name. So both boys, we just wanted their rooms to look so different, and we've been so happy with the quality of both of them, but I do think they are from different brands. So I'll have them both linked below. We've just been very happy with them, but of course we love to have a name sign in both of our boys' rooms. It was just really, really cute to have those. And I would say that for being custom pieces, shipment with both of them, like the shipment was super fast and the quality is really nice. This acrylic calendar hangs in our mud room, and I get questions about it anytime I show it. It is the best thing ever for our family, because at the start of every month, I will go on there. We will like meal plan for the week. I will write every single appointment that we have down for the month on there. I keep like lists going of like things we need to remember, things we need to do. You can really customize this calendar. You can customize size, whether you want the days of the week on there, what day you want the week to start, what you want the little lines on the side to say. Do you want the lines on the side at all? Like, it is so customizable for you and your family. And we of course have a very big one. You can get a small one, but the quality is incredible. So we love having this hang in our mud room. It's just really nice when we walk in the door. We see all of our stuff. It's all there, all the appointments. So this has been very convenient to have for our family. And we love, love, love how it looks. I did buy Roman's coming home outfit and Ezra's coming home outfit from Etsy. These are so cute. I would say like, I don't know, I don't buy clothing that is like that fancy schmancy for my kids when, and maybe it's not even that fancy, but for like beyond coming home or, you know, the first picture announcing their name, because they're babies and they just spit up and get things and like just poop on things. It's just a mess. So I did want really cute, nice outfits that I could also use for like keepsakes, and I loved them, but I do want to say they only wore them like once when they were babies. So the quality for a one-time wear was really nice. But I got Ezra one and it was so, so cute. And I got Roman a different one and I loved it. I just loved that the styles were completely different, but it still showed their name fully. So I will have these linked below for y'all. They're so cute. Name blankets were also how we wanted to announce both boys' names like that, specifically Ezra, but we wanted to be able to keep the blanket. So while Ezra was a like little kid, I mean, he still used his Ezra blanket all the time. And even now, like Roman, if we still need a blanket for his little car seat, like we'll just throw his little Roman blanket over him. But once Ezra outgrew his, we did put it in a little keepsake box. And then same for Roman, we will put it in a keepsake box. But they wash and dry nice. The quality's held up. It's just a really cute way to also share their names when they are born. So we love these little blankets, and you can pick the style. And there is also, if you scroll down in the description bar, a way to like preview what the font and color will look like, which is really nice. For Christmas sweaters, I should have mentioned these with the name sweaters, so I think it's a different brand. These are Christmas specific and they actually ship a lot faster, but we wanted Ezra to have an adorable little Christmas sweater for Christmas photos last year, so we got him this, and it was just the cutest thing ever. Now we're actually taking our Christmas card photos at Thanksgiving, so we're not getting Roman one this year, but I just thought that sweater was absolutely adorable. Definitely higher price for, you know, just one-time wear. You could give it to your child and they could wear it, you know, throughout the holiday season or to parties or whatever. But for us, we just really wanted to get it for these photos, and it was so cute. And I think he also wore it on Christmas Eve and we just loved it. Like, it was adorable. These beanies are super cute. I actually had one for Ezra. It doesn't fit now that he's a toddler, so I reordered them the other day because it actually is getting fairly cold here, and I wanted them to both have beanies because we just go outside all the time. We go to the park still, like even if it's cold, we just bundle up and go outside. So I wanted both boys to have beanies, and I thought these were super cute because I had one for Ezra when he was younger, and I wanted Ro to have one now. And I think it's cute that they have them that can match. So you can pick like cork color, like the metal finish, you can pick the font. I think even the font color, you can pick the beanie color. Very customizable, but a really cute gift idea for a little boy or girl. My dad's camera strap, I actually mentioned this in my men's gift guide. I got him this a few years ago and he still uses it to this day with his very nice camera. So if you know someone who has a really nice camera and they want like camera equipment, and you're not quite sure what to do, you could always go with this route and just get their like a custom strap that has their name on it. It's very, very nice. You can pick, at least from what I can remember, you can pick like the font, you can pick the like little metal color, and you can pick the leather color. It came in relatively quickly, but that was a big, big hit gift with my dad. And then finally, I actually found this one through TikTok Shop as well. This was for me. I get a lot of my like boy mom and mama sweatshirts, my Christmas sweaters, like all those things do come from Etsy, and I love this mama sweater. Originally, she only had the pink and it went viral on TikTok so many times. She also made the blue, so I have the blue. And she now has Christmas colors. So you can get one that's like red and green and it just says mama on it. It is so cute. They fit true to size, but I did get the extra large because I wanted it to be very oversized and baggy. But her shop has a ton of cute stuff. They even have kids items. But if you love like the mama stuff that's a little bit nicer quality, definitely check out Etsy. And that is it for today's video. I hope that you guys enjoyed this. I will be highlighting again like small businesses and you know, not just Etsy small businesses, but favorite small businesses on my Instagram. So make sure you follow me there throughout the holiday season. Thank y'all so much for watching. Don't forget to go below and click the subscribe button if you're new here. Love you so much, and I'll see you in my next video.